Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating a coffee table out of a cardboard box. I wasn't able to get around to the store in the last couple of days, so I decided to use what I had around the house to create this project. I am going to be turning this box on its side, and that is going to be how my table will sit. I will first start off by taping the box shut with my duct tape. I will then be taking these gift wrapping paper rolls that I've saved from other projects that I've done, and I'll spray paint them silver. And after that, I'm going in with my Mod Podge and I'm covering the whole gift wrap roll. And to save glitter and time, I only focused on painting the front of the roll. Next, I'm taking the rolls and turning them around and getting the other end. And I'm also letting them dry and then going back over them again with the Mod Podge to seal the glitter. After they dried, I cut out different sizes of the rolls. And it doesn't matter what size the rolls are, just as long as there are 3 different sizes. Now I'm going to take my rolls and my Gorilla Glue sticks and I'm going to apply the rolls. I created my own pattern, smallest to biggest. After I'm done with this side of the box, I'm then going to turn it to the other side and do it the same way. And this is how it looks when both sides are done. I will now be taking my Mod Podge and this decorative filler that I got from Michael's, and I'll be pouring it on top. After I'm done pouring the decorative filler on top, I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to start completing the second side of the box. And I'm going to complete the same method for the other two sides of the box. After everything is done, it should look like this. And I will also be going back in and doing touch-ups with the glitter. I needed to figure out a way to fill the insides of the rolls, so I decided to take pieces of magazines and roll them up and put them inside of each. After I've filled each hole, I am going to now take this caulk that I got from the dollar store, and I'm going to be covering the top of each hole. I decided to take the bottom off and use a spoon because it was very much easier for me. It's a little messy now, but I decided to wait till it dried a little bit to mold it better. I then went in with Mod Podge and glitter, and I painted the top of each. And this process will take a couple coats in order to fill everything in. After I got the top of the rolls to where I wanted them to be, I then went in and did touch-ups with the glitter. So I just took the Mod Podge and put it on top of the parts that needed to be touched up. The last thing I'm going to do is add 4 mirrors on top to complete the table. And here's the complete look. I I really like this table because it's something that I've never seen before. In the comments below, please let me know if you like this table. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and please be safe out there, and see you next time.